We were working in our project with small Roma community. In Lithuania we have only about 3,000 people living in our country. But we were working with Roma people from Vilnius County living in three regions, in Vilnius town, Ukmergė and Šalčininkai districts. And our group was about 150 people, but later as European Union's borders were opened for Lithuanian citizens, our Roma, they moved to other countries, so the target group was smaller, about 100. The main lessons from our project, it was that the first one, that when we are planning the project, we should be realistic. As usual, we are optimistic and we are planning many activities, but later we see that it's not enough time, or according to difficult regulations, we should postpone our activities and to change our plans. But another one lesson was that our project is like two-way road, and that people from most majority living in Lithuania, they should know, they should have knowledge about Roma people living here. And the same was with the Roma community, that they were opening their hearts, and it was not so difficult for them to be involved in our activities. At first they thought that the project is written, but it would be not used for their community. But after long talks, after long activities with the Roma community, they opened. First of all, we are very grateful to ESF that it was a great opportunity for us, for our partners, to work with Roma community in Lithuania and to use the project for motivation of Roma community. And thanks European Social Fund, Lithuania know from articles in newspapers about Roma people in another way. As usual, media are writing that Roma people are pocketing, they are drug users, drug sellers, but it's not true. They would like to have a job and they would like to learn. And another one message for ESF would be that such projects would be continued. It's not easy to work, especially with illiterate group, during 4 years, but when we are preparing project, it takes time, and the continuing should be.